Very good morning, dear students. Here we are going to discuss about GAE. GAE in the sense Google App Engine, and it is a product of Google company. So generally we know Google is very well famous regarding its search engine. So that's why Google has world's largest search engine facilities. So Google has hundreds of data centers and has installed more than 4,60,000 servers worldwide. Okay, and out of three different service models. So GAE is a PaaS related platform, means platform as a service, so which supports cloud and web applications both. Next, coming to the Google cloud infrastructure. So generally we know that all the Google products will comes under Google cloud services only. Some important Google cloud services we know are Gmail, Google Docs, Google Earth, Google Drives, Google Maps, all these will comes under Google Cloud Services only. In 2008, Google announced its GAE web application platform. So it is a common for many small cloud service providers also. In the sense, so this is one big cloud provider service, and by taking these services, some small organizations also they will try to give their services, means third party providers will be there, they will take the help of these services and they will provide their services. Okay, so next, coming to the main important concept, GAE architecture. Okay, so apart from remaining all the architectures, especially in GAE, what are the special things we are having? The major building blocks of GAE are GFS, means Google File System, MapReduce, Bigtable and Chubby. So next we will explain one by one. So GFS stands for Google File System, and it is especially used for storing large amounts of data. And MapReduce is for using in application program development. So we can able to use it for the development purpose. And Chubby is it for distributed application log services. Okay. So this is especially for log service. If anyone have asked what is Google log service, in the sense it is a Chubby. Next, coming to Bigtable, it offers a storage service for accessing structured data, so which is stored in the structured format. So the data can be accessed by using Bigtable. So now users can able to interact with Google applications via the web instance provided by each application. Web instance in the sense we can able to call it as user interface also. Okay, we know it. Each and every application can be accessed by using the interfaces. Okay. Next, third-party providers can use GAE to build cloud applications for providing services. We already know it. And now coming to the main architecture of it. So here is the user, and they can able to access the application by using the application. So they can able to access this GAE. So in GAE, so this is Google Cloud Infrastructure. In this, the special things we are having are Chubby, GFS Master, Bigtable and MapReduce, and scheduler in the sense which will schedule all the jobs in this architecture, and remaining all the nodes we are having, these will be nothing but the servers, general servers, whatever we are having, regular servers. And now each and every node what we are having, if we have zoomed out, we can able to find out this one. Bigtable server, MapReduce job, and one scheduler slave will be there, and here one will have main scheduler, and the subordinate of this one will be worked as scheduler slave. GFS chunk server, these are associated. So this is associated with GFS master here. And finally we will have the Linux. It is nothing but the operating system in the server. So next, if we have seen the functional modules of GAE, so here we have 5 major components in GAE. So based on this one only GAE will work. So those are data store, application runtime environment, software development kit, administration console, and GAE web service infrastructure. So now if we have seen one by one, data store, it offers object-oriented, distributed and structured data storage services based on Bigtable techniques. So we can able to access these data, structured data, by using the Bigtable only, right? So that's why Bigtable techniques. The data store secures data management operations. So next, application runtime environment. It offers a platform for scalable web programming and execution. It supports 2 development languages, Python and Java. So here we have seen runtime environment, in the sense it is related to programming and execution only, right? So that's why it offers a platform for scalable web programming. Scalable in the sense capable web programming and execution. So it will mainly support Python and Java. So next, software development kit. It is used for local application development. The SDK allows users to execute text runs of local applications and upload application code. Okay, so next, so this code they can able to test in the local applications itself. Okay, so next, the administration console. It is used for easy management of user application development cycles. Okay, so administration in the sense who will control and manage all the things, right? So that's why it is used for easy management of user application development cycles. In the development, we will have different cycles: analysis cycle, coding cycle, testing cycle. So like the different cycles. So those will be managed by administration console. Next, the GAE web service infrastructure, last one. So it provides special interfaces to guarantee flexible use and management of storage and network resources by GAE. So web service infrastructure. So it will give special interfaces. So by using these interfaces, so the resources can be used flexibly and managed very perfect. Networking resources and storage resources both. So next, finally, if you have seen GAE applications in the sense, what are the GAE products indirectly? So well-known GAE applications include Google search engine, means Google search, whatever we have known, Google Docs, Google Earth, Gmail, Google Drive, Google Maps, and we have many things like that. So these applications can support large number of users simultaneously. So third-party application providers can use GAE to build cloud applications for providing that services. We have discussed about third-party applications, right? So this is all about GAE. So if they have asked about GAE, you need to give a small introduction of that one, and later infrastructure, later architecture. We need to describe about the architecture and we need to draw the architecture diagram. So later, main functional modules of GAE. So 5 functional modules will be there: data store, application runtime, software development kit, administration console, GAE web service infrastructure. So these are the functional modules. And finally, we need to write about the applications of GAE. So that's it. Thank you.